Jai Gurudev students, today we are going to revise the exercises of chapter number 3 and 4 for your exams. So let's begin. Cross the odd one out. Write to which system the rest of the organs belong to. So children, in this exercise, we are supposed to cross that part of the system which does not match with the other and also write that these parts comprise of which system. So let's begin. Brain, lungs, nerves, spinal cord. So among these four, lungs is a wrong option because brain, nerves and spinal cord, they are the part of nervous system, whereas lungs is a part of respiratory system. So lungs is a wrong word. Next, heart, kidney, urinary bladder, skin. Children, in this one, the third option was lungs. Strike it out and write urinary bladder. This is a wrong option. So you strike it out and write urinary bladder over here. So among these four options, heart is a wrong option because kidney, urinary bladder and skin, these are the part of excretory system, whereas heart is a part of nervous system, or you can say circulatory system. Heart plays role in both the systems. Okay. The next is mouth, nose, food pipe, stomach. Nose is a wrong option because mouth, food pipe and stomach is a part of digestive system, whereas nose is an external organ. Okay, now fourth and the last, nose, windpipe, lungs, bones. Bones is a wrong option because bones is a part of skeletal system, whereas nose, windpipe and lungs are a part of respiratory system. Hope this exercise is clear to you. Now moving on to fill in the blanks with appropriate words to complete the information. First one, tissues join together to form an organ. Organ is the answer to this blank. As I have explained you earlier, so we are revising these exercises, so I will just read the blanks. Now moving on to the second one. There are dash bones in our body. How many bones? We studied earlier. It's 206 bones. Third, muscles are connected to bones by cords called tendons. We've learned earlier about tendons, what are tendons and what are ligaments. So the right answer for this blank is tendons. This dash gives shape to our body. What gives shape to our body? Skeleton. Fifth one and the last, respiratory system helps us to breathe. Respiratory is the answer for this blank. Okay, now moving on to the exercise of chapter number 4, means of recreation. Now we'll study fill in the blanks of chapter number 4. First one is recreation keeps our dash healthy. What keeps healthy? Mind. Recreation is what is recreation as we studied earlier? It is an activity which gives us joy and pleasure. That's why when you're happy, when you get joy and pleasure, obviously your mind will be healthy. So the answer to the first blank is mind. Moving on to the second one. An activity which gives us joy and pleasure is called recreation. So the answer for the second blank is recreation. Okay. Moving on to the third one. The dash issues the sports goods to each class. Which teacher issues the sports goods to each class? Sports goods means sports items which are provided to you, like you can say shot put ball, or you can say javelin. Who takes the account of all these? A sport teacher. So the answer to this blank is sport teacher. Fourth one. Dash is a traveling company of performers. Answer to this one is circus. As you've heard and seen circus, so they are the traveling company of performers. They perform various stunts or acts to entertain you. So that company is known as circus. Fifth one, continuous teasing, hitting, punching, or treating badly is called bullying. As I've explained you earlier about bullying, so the answer to this blank is said bullying. Now moving on to the C part of exercise, circle the odd one in each group. First one is chess, carom, hockey, ludo. Odd one in this one is hockey because chess, carom and ludo are indoor games, whereas hockey is an outdoor game. Moving on to the second one now. Holi, picnic, Diwali, Gurupurab. Picnic is an odd word because Holi, Diwali and Gurupurab are festivals, whereas picnic is not. Now moving on to the third one. Ball, stumps, bat and guitar. Guitar is an odd one out because ball, stumps and bat are the items that are used in cricket, whereas guitar is a musical instrument. So guitar is a wrong option. Now the last one. Roger Federer, Serena Williams, Rafael Nadal and Vishwanathan Anand. The odd one out in this one is Vishwanathan Anand because Roger Federer, Serena Williams and Rafael Nadal are athletes, or you can say players of lawn tennis, whereas Vishwanathan Anand is a player or a champion of chess and he is an Indian. Okay, now moving on to the D part. Name the following means of recreation by looking at the pictures. As you can see the pictures, you can see clearly he is showing you some magic. So this is known as magic show. And the second one is puppet show, as puppet is being displayed or shown over here. And as you can see, there is a birthday cake and decoration for birthday, so it's birthday. And as you can see here, there is a Xmas tree, so the festival we can judge out is Christmas. Now moving on to the E part, tick the correct answer. First, we can watch Discovery Channel on our television, Obviously, the word watch is there. So you cannot watch anything on radio or you cannot watch anything on playground. You can watch on television. So television is the correct answer. Second one, it is an indoor game. Kho-kho, tennis or Ludo. Ludo is the correct option as tennis and Kho-kho is an outdoor game. So Ludo is the correct option. Third, in the park we like to study, play, dance. Obviously, when we are in the park, we will definitely like to play. So play is the correct option for this question. Now moving on to the last one. Children are amazed at the astonishing and exciting stunts and acts of the performers in a picnic, fair, circus. Obviously, if they are talking about astonishing stunts and acts, that too of a performer, it will not be displayed in a picnic or a fair. Obviously, it will be in a circus. Circus may be in a fair, but circus, as I've explained earlier, is a company. So where children are amazed by watching the stunts, that group or that company or those performers are known as circus. So the right answer for this question is circus. Hope you understood what I revised with you the exercises and learned them well for your examination.